What's up guys, Jake here again, and on today's episode we'll be throwing on the new Magnaflow Overland Series Exhaust on the 3rd Gen Tacoma, so stay tuned. We were running the MBRP axle dump catback exhaust and it was just a little too loud for us. I'll give you guys a little sound comparison. Here's a look at the new Magnaflow Overland Series exhaust. Let's go put it on. Overall, I can say I'm pretty impressed with how the Magnaflow Overland Series exhaust sounds on the 3.5 liter Tacoma. You've got a great mix of that aggressive sound that a lot of people want, but without that drone. So how they set their exhaust up is they have two outputs, one with a U-pipe coming back over the muffler itself, and you can run three different options. You can do a U-pipe to a resonator to cap it off that gives you a quieter sound, or you can do what I did, which was a U-pipe to a cap, or if you wanted a more aggressive sound, which in my opinion it didn't need it, you can just cap off that output there for the Tacoma. What's super nice too is as soon as you're at cruising speeds, let's say on the freeway, cruising around 65, 75 miles per hour, all of that back pressure goes out the back half of the exhaust, but as soon as you step on it, it comes out that U-pipe capped off exhaust port that gives you that more aggressive sound. So overall, super excited to do a continued review on this down the road, but very happy with Magnaflow, and thanks to Magnaflow for sending this exhaust out for me to test and give my honest review on. So stay tuned. Little update on the truck, we'll be building it on Saturday. Lift, wheels, and tires are gonna go on, so stay tuned for a video of that to come. And then until next time, we'll be wandering.